The upcoming tweaks to the Apple Watch won't look much different from the existing models, but they will pack a lot more processing punch. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. According to the latest Bloomberg report in the Power On newsletter, Mark Gurman reported that Apple is in late-stage testing for the refreshed Apple Watch Series 12 in Wi-Fi only and in cellular, as well as the Ultra 4. Gurman added that only the Apple Watch SE isn't expected to see a refresh this year, considering that Watch SE was just released last year. For anyone ready to upgrade their Apple Watch, Gurman reported that Apple doesn't have a major design overhaul for this year's models. Instead, Apple will be focusing on boosting performance through introducing health and fitness tracking improvements, along with a bump in specs and speed thanks to new chips. Still unclear what the performance upgrades will look like, but Gurman noted that the last major processor change for Apple Watches came in 2023 when the company introduced the S9 chip. Anyone looking for a more dramatic cosmetic change to the Apple Watch may only have to wait a little longer, as according to Gurman, there'll be a bigger rethink to the Apple Watch, but not for another year or two. Along with that expected overhaul, Gurman says that Apple's still working on its blood sugar detection feature. We're still a long way out from a wearable being able to measure a user's blood sugar non-invasively, but Apple's blood sugar detection feature would line up perfectly with its own software, which it was reportedly working on back in 2024. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.